Welcome to the lifetime of Great Wall Casting China. I'm Min Li. Behind me is Xinxiang Great Wall Casting Company Limited. The company is established in 2009. It's one of the biggest casting foundry in north of Henan province. It's also one of the biggest machining basement. Today we will have a full understanding of it through the broadcast on the spot. Okay, let's start. Here is the biggest machining buildings. Let's go inside. We are now at the machining building here. These machining equipment are listed in this line. Its function is mainly like milling, polishing, grinding, punching are all finished here. And these are finished products. We can see, look at this. This is a Kiln tire. We can also name it as a riding ring for the Rotary killing machines. These are ready for delivery. The diameter can be, I think it's over 6 meters. These are same size. And this is a drilling machine. We can see that it is in the process of drilling the holes. This product is ball mill trunnion. Let's go ahead. This also the riding rings for the cement kilns. This is a Girth gear just to finish the surface machining, but next step it will have the process of gear hobbing. Inside of it is also a trunnion for a ball mill. The machining equipment in this building are mainly the numerically controlled heavy type vertical length and boring mill. The max diameter for machining can be 8 meters. The height could be 5 meters, and the max loading weight of the products can be 150 tons. Now let's have a look about these two vertical lengths. There are two ball mill trunnions in the machines. The diameter of this trunnion is almost 4 meters. The ball mill trunnion is made by casting first, and after the heat treatment and rough machining, they will come to this machining workshop for the finished machining. Let's go ahead to check that rolling ring. The rolling ring is used for a rotary furnace. This product is similar with the riding ring, the Kiln tire, but it is used for another kind of furnace. The diameter could be 7 meters. Now it is in the process of milling. Let's continue and have a look about that riding gear. This riding gear is used for the rotary kiln. The diameter is as big as 7 meters, but the max machining diameter of this vertical length could be 8 meters. We also have a gear hobbing machine in another workshop. No matter it is a standard gear or a helical gear, it's available in our machining capability. This is a rolling mill housing. And together with those riding mill housings too, they are ready for the boring process. This is a boring mill. We can see it is working now. The riding mill housing is for a forging machine. Work as an outer frame. Their first step is finish the casting process in the foundry and then transport to this workshop for the machining.